Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. Thanks guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Max the Service. I really appreciate your support and love for watching and sharing my channel apart from subscribing. Actually, in last session, we have discussed very important commands, miscellaneous command like how we can copy to and from the container, which is very important and useful in professional environment. Also, we see that how we can access container logs because it is also important because when your container is running and you want to see for specific area, if you want to monitor something you are feeling, if you are required. So we see how we can manage images. We can also do some more practice with the other commands. So today we will be starting with our last session, which is on how we can log in, log out, and push and pull our Docker images, and how we can do some other most important commands like clean up our unused resources, how we can also do some more commands how we can create, manage and delete volumes. So let's start. Dear guys, thanks for watching Maxi service and now we will be starting with pull and push images. It is same as when we start merging and pulling pushing with GitHub because we can share all those our source code with our development team and we can pull and push. The same thing Docker also provided us. For that, first of all, we have to log in to your Docker registry. First, I have to log out and show you how to log in because you must know how if you have any issue within this activity so that you can fix after watching this video. So after first of all I will log out. Here you can see I will log out and now I will be login. You can also provide username like I have Max the service as well. If you not, then you can simply log in. Now I will hit enter. After hitting enter, guys, you will be redirected with the code. It is already generated. You can copy and paste, otherwise it will be automatically copied and it will be redirected to your browser. After confirmation, it will automatically get login. Just wait a second. Yeah, you can see that you are here and you now you can push your image. Okay, one important thing is to remember that you cannot simply use like first of all I have to check, do I have images, Docker images? Yes, we have demo image. You never do like Docker push demo. It will never push your image to Docker Hub because there is a specific way. Before pushing your image you have to tag your image, and for that what you can do, simply you will be doing like Docker. You need to tag your current image, which is demo latest, and you have to provide your account name, which is Max the service. Then you have to provide the repository. Guys, if you have not created repository, then you have to create repository first. Let me show you the repository I have created just to save the time. If I go to Docker Hub, yeah, here is the my account name and here is the repository. Okay, and here I already pushed one image, so just showing you the way how we can push another image. Max the service, this is my account name, this is my repository name, and then I have to provide just image name. Now you have tagged your image. You can also check Docker images. Here you can see we have tagged this image. How we can check this? Because image ID is same. All these are tagging. Okay. So now I will push uh, one of the images tagged demo2. I can push demo2 or I can also push maxi service. So for that we will just provide Docker push repository name, then again account name, and now max the service repository name and only the tag name what we have provided. Here you can see we have provided dem. So after doing this it will start pushing my this image to Docker registry. Because it is saying that it is layers already exist, because it is very intelligent, because I have already pushed the same image and just tagging and providing the other one, and it is saying that all layers are existed, but for you I have also make available. Now after refresh there should be demo. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, let's suppose now let me remove all the images and then let me pull this image, because instead of creating building, let's suppose I have requested someone colleague in my team or in any other team. Okay, please pull this demo image and start running as a container. So for that other candidate don't need to have all this source code and building images. No one knows, no one need. Okay, so for that let me show you pulling the image. If I will use docker pull, it will be saying that okay, it is already exists, something like this. Okay, denied demo repository. Okay, first I have to provide max the service max the service demo. Okay, great. Pulling this digest status, it is already, because we already have this one, and pulling it will be just kind of override. Let me show you Docker images. Here you can see, because we already have, and again it is pulled from the. If I remove this one, RMI, and if I remove this one, and delete force. Okay, now if I check images, here you can see nothing is available, because I deleted all the images with ID. Here you can see, because all these images were ID with this. If I delete anyone with the name, then rest of images would be there. But now I have to build again this image with demo, and then instead of building, because I have source code, I can start building and start running container, pushing whatever. Now let's suppose I don't have anything, and just I'm going to pull this image from Docker hub. So let's see. Yeah, let me check again images. Ooh, great. Now I have image, this one images, this is a repository, and this is image tag. I can start working with this image as well, because I have this image and I can start running container. So guys, this was how to log in and log out Docker Hub, and how we can pull and push images. Let's make sure after pulling image either it is working or not. Is there anything with any issue with the image, or so? Let's start checking this. I'm going to start working with this image, like docker run interactive mode, and their port is 8080, also host port at 8080, and the container name is demo. Okay, I am already logged in. Okay, I did not provide the name of image. The image name is demo. Max the service. Max the service. Tag name is demo. Okay, and I'm going to provide the container name demo container. Let's see. Okay, great. So you don't need to build and have source code. It is directly just started your image from your Docker registry. And let's see either we have available this Docker Hub. Where is Docker desktop? Great. Here is the Docker container I just started from, and now I can start testing. Hello. Ooh, great. Here is hello. So guys, it is very simple to start working with Docker, how we can log in, log out, because now our images save on remote. Even I delete an image from my local machine that is on the remote registry, I can pull and start running container even from remote registry because I have provided the path of remote registry. Okay. Okay guys, next is manage volumes. We also have a little bit introduction in last few session back. So let me show you again how the we can just manage our volumes for creating new volume. Just you can write Docker volume create my volume. Okay, it will create my volume, and you can also list all the volume already created. Volume ls, here you can see all the volume we have, and same I can show you on the Docker Hub. Here you can see that all these are volumes. Actually volume is repository, it's a space. You can attach your this my volume with your running container, like if you have demo container or demo, all the any images, material, data, whatever files, anything you can store, even database data you can store in this volume, so that later on you can uh, connect this volume with another connector container, and then you can utilize this data as well already provided in this volume. So actually don't confuse it. What is volume? It is just a space. It's a memory. You can save anything, any data, any raw data in this space. It's a kind of folder, you can say. Okay, then we can also remove this volume. For that we have command docker volume rm. So and then you can just provide the name of volume, which is my volume. It will remove your volume, and if you will again provide ls, it will show you the rest of not your created. Okay guys, next command is clean up unused resources. So if you cannot release and you don't know what the resources are being used, what the data unused is placed on Docker, then you can just use few commands which are very important. It's normal for regular use Docker installation to accumulate the large number of resources, actually many of which becomes redundant as you create replacement. These commands will clean up your environment. So to remove unused data, including dangling image layers, whatever image with no tags, then you can just use Docker system prone. All stopped container, network not used by latest one container, all dangling images, unused build cache. It will okay. Yes, it is going to delete everything whatever it is unused. Okay, after this we have extend the prone process by deleting all unused images instead of only dangling one. So you can also use the command with dash a. uh, as we have provided the command simple docker prone system, you can also provide docker system prone dash a. As you can see, it is deleting all the, and now you have 6.18 GB. Ooh, great. So for that, if you want also use the other one, yes, it is again 22 MB also available for you. So next command is actually include volume data in the prone process. This will delete any volumes that are not used by the container. For that you will be just using docker system prone volumes. It will also delete all the volumes which are not being used. So nothing is to delete, and remove dangling image without affecting the other type of data. If you want to just use okay, I don't want to remove system level, then you can use docker image from. It will remove only images, dangling images. And also you can also remove all unused images as well with dash a, just to provide dash a. And same as go for you can just provide whatever you want to delete, like docker. If I want to delete volume, not every other than volume, like image, anything else, networks, unused networks, so I will be providing just network. Okay, so it will be deleting only networks. So actually prone command will prompt you to confirm your intention before any resources are deleted. Also you can also skip this prompt by providing mansf command. Let me show you. If I provide mansf, you can see it will not ask me to, I am going to delete anything. So it will just go and delete. Okay, so guys, the commands shown in this session, all these session are a quick reference for the most commonly used docker CLI capabilities. If you need more information on any other commands, including anything else, you can just provide me comments. I will also go for that session and provide you with my best. So looking for more Docker videos, I have also provided this one, the last session, and then after this we will be having a session on Docker Swarm. So what is Docker Swarm, how we can use Docker Swarm. After that we will be start working with container D or something like this. So I will adding step by step so that you can be master blaster of full stack software development. So again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't hesitate to share this channel with your colleagues who really need to learn related to software development. And thank you again. Bye. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing so that I will be continuing with rest of the technologies and tools sharing with you. Thanks.